Hello guys. So are you using Wondershare DemoCreator and did you just forget to hit that save button on your recording and now it is lost? So let me show you how you can recover it, and this is a bulletproof method to get back your recording. So you need to go to see users, your username, and here go to documents and search for Wondershare DemoCreator 8 or 9 or whatever version you have, or simply DemoCreator. In my case it is DemoCreator 8, and search for record files. So this is the folder where you will find all the all the videos which were recorded with your DemoCreator. So as you can see, this video file is currently growing because I am recording into it. So this is my current recording, and this is my prior recording, and this is a larger recording I had today. So how to recover it? Simply copy it, paste it where you want to store your recording, and afterwards be sure to rename the DCRC extension and set it to MP4. For example, hit save, yes. And if it is used, be sure to close the demo recorder executable and try again. So just to make sure that it works, let's copy it and go to documents, paste it here, and set MP4, and it is ready. And you can see that the video file was already recognized by Windows, and it is here, and it is able to be run. So be sure to not forget documents, DemoCreator 8, also record files, and all your recordings will be there. I hope this video helps you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.